Hi guys, how are you doing today? Good morning, wherever you are in the world. So, I'm just trying to go over the chart and then we do our weekly analysis as usual. So, I'll just give it about 2 minutes or 3 minutes thereabout for people to join. Yeah. Mi ò dẹ̀ lè pariwo, mo ti yó, na 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 na. When I show up for your party, oh, they must show jo. Elepoche, elepoche se, elepoche se, no de bunga se, no de bunga se. Elepoche se, elepoche se, no de bunga se, no de bunga se. What's up, Becky, mother, soule, we let the other rose. Money more like the champagne, be your mobile. Mosaic, come on, me fire. Mr. Money, let me on my bell. What's up, Becky, mother, soule, we let the other rose. Money more like the champagne, be your mobile. Come on and follow. It's not what
Going on a vacation or a business trip, catching a flight to see family, or taking a break in Zanzibar?
Okay, so I'll just go ahead and start, but I'll have this song in the background. So last week was amazing. It was very good, and we killed it. Like we really did kill it last week, and I really love that. So this is a new week, and then as usual, we need to know what we are doing for the week. So I went through the chart, and there's really no lot of opportunities yet. But what we are gonna do is we will just keep checking. This one was one of the trade I know we missed out last week. Can you see? We missed out and then he went to TP. That's all right. It was just a few pips. We missed out on it was just a peep. Less than 2 pips from this entry. That was very crazy. But there's no stopping us. So we were in a trade last week and then we left it running over the weekend. This trade, is it this? 1 second. So yeah, when Euro NZD, we took it on 30 minutes. Took it on 30 minutes while waiting for this buy. So we took this trade. I didn't know I deleted it here. Let me get the entry. So we took this trade around here. It was on 5 minutes. Around here, that was where we took the trade. And then, okay, I think it was 15 or 5. Let me try to remember. So I'll show you guys the entry point. Okay, yeah. So it was from here, this particular place, and it was on 5 minutes. And we had to leave it running over the weekend. And do you know why? Because we still have our buy bias. Generally, still wanted to go, our buying. Okay, it was taken from this angle, and it's supposed to do this. Just hold on. Let me try to take this way. So our plan for the trade is for it to sell to our buy position. So yeah, we had this with very small stop loss. Then we are expecting it to get to this level. So the market is just opening, it's still, retracing and the like, which is not a problem. And our stop loss is already in profit. So either this goes back to entry, comes our way, we don't really care. We're not attached to the money, right? So this week I still have this trade. I'm still waiting for this buy. Also, I checked GU. From last week we had this markup and it's still very, 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 very like active. Like the buyers still active, and then we are still waiting for it. So guys, I want to simplify something for you. I really don't do a lot of things when I want to trade, right? I don't like to complicate it so it will be difficult for you guys. My goal and what I want you guys to do is to actually get this very easy. I got it not so easy. Doesn't mean I don't want you guys to get it that same way. I want you guys to get it very easy, understand what you are doing at the very early stage, and then you can pick it up. Trading is not difficult. It depends on how you learned, or most importantly, your readiness to learn. So guys, looking at this right here, we see for sure that GU has been bullish. Like from this aspect, we've been having higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So the way I always teach is we had a higher high here, and then this is our higher low, higher high. So one thing I always do is until it breaks our higher highs and higher lows, I am not going to go out of that structure and that particular trend. I did something here, you guys will wonder what is failure swing. Okay, I'm going to explain to you now. So sometimes I actually like check some of my indicators. I'm not checking them to help me trade, but I'm checking them for more confirmation. I want you to get that very clear. So looking at this is one RSI I just look at sometimes. Like, I would have a proper class on how you guys will understand this soon. My goal is to actually help those that are just learning, the beginners, to get to a very good level of trading. So what I was saying is why I use failure swing is that look at this guy. It deceived us that it broke the trend, but then in the very real sense, it didn't. So my bias is still what? Uptrend. And ever since then, it has not broken this trend. So the only time I'll confirm that, yes, we are no this structure or this particular analysis is no longer valid is when we can break it and start creating higher highs, or we break this low and start creating lower lows. So until then, I've got liquidity. I want it to sweep below here, and I've got it down to sweep above here. So it's of two things. We could see this, we see this. 1 second. So you could see something like this, you could see something like this, whichever way we want to do it, then we see this, right? It's very possible we see all this. Also, if you don't see that, you could see this play out, which I think I would love it the more. You could see it do this, come up this way, and then finally get us in, right? Sweeping the liquidity above, and it will start going our way, which is very lovely. Can you see? So the major thing is just patience. Patience, patience. It's still the beginning of the year. Um, the market will still try to adjust to the current trends and the rest of them. So I could just check other charts. I think I saw Euro AUD, Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD too. I'm still waiting for this to happen. If you look at this, guys, we have break of structure. I told you guys it's always about trend, and I want to see this or until it invalidates by breaking the higher highs or higher lows. That's fine. That's for Euro AUD. Let me see Bitcoin. Bitcoin, since we had an entry here, went down a bit. It's still in the same range. So right now, I really don't have nothing on Bitcoin. This was actually one of the best trades on Bitcoin. I don't want to make this video long, but what I should have done from beginning is DXY. I'm sorry for that, but let's see our DXY. And why I didn't come to DXY is because our analysis is still very correct. I told you guys the last time I wanted to see, like, come down here and then we could probably like break above or continue our down movement from this particular range. So I don't really have much right now, and then it's just a new week. I want you guys to take it easy on yourselves. I'm going to send everything I see on the chart. Like I told you guys, it's a movement right now. Everything I do here is for free. My chart, the markups, the classes and the rest of them is gonna be for free. So I appreciate you guys. God bless you all. Have a good trading week. And remember to be patient while you are trading, and then most especially learn how to manage your money. Take care of yourselves. I appreciate you all. Yeah, bye.